my name is Sam. This is Embody Harmonics Yoga and our final video on the Yoga at Home playlist. And in this video, I would just like to shamelessly plug myself and my classes. As you have probably gathered, I teach live classes online using Zoom, and they are special because I don't demonstrate. Instead, I sit and I watch the computer screen and I watch my students. So I'm able to respond to what's happening in their body and their breath the same way that I could in a live class. If somebody does a pose on the wrong side, I can let them know. If somebody does something dangerous because they've misunderstood what I've said, I can let them know and keep them safe and back them out of it. I find that it's a much more intimate connection with my students because I'm present with them. Instead of being in my body and my practice, and not even 100% in my body and my practice because I'm talking while I'm practicing, instead of that, I'm actually paying attention to my students. And when I started teaching online, I had a lot of reservations and judgment about how it could work. And this was the way that I developed because it feels really good to me. I also love it because I get to know my students' bodies individually, and I can give modifications to you in the moment. I can help students up-level and find more challenge. If they're doing really, really well with a foundational pose, we can give them something new and shiny to chew on. And people that are, managing injuries or other issues in their body, pain, I can help them figure out how to approach a pose in a way that's safe. I also work with people like long-term. My students will come to me with specific issues that they're working on. I can observe during class, give feedback, individualized feedback to that student, and then we can track it over time. So really what you're getting is the benefits of a private yoga teacher and like a private coach focusing on you, but with the cost of a class setting. So it's actually really good for the student and it's really good for me. And I just really love it. It's working out really well, even though I didn't think it would when I first gave it a try. So that's it. In the description below, you will find a link to a beginner's yoga series that I am producing, and hopefully by the time this video goes up, will have finished producing. So if you see this video and it's not there, just check back in like a week and the link should be there. Or send me a message. I'm happy to just send you an email or something with that information when it becomes available. So that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this series. If you have any questions at all about yoga, if you want to see a video on some other topic, I would love to hear about it. And please do like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. That's it, and I hope that I get to see you soon.